Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Genshin Impact on your PC. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first thing you're going to do is either go to the Genshin Impact official website, or you can go and search for Epic Games Launcher. As long as you download this Epic Games Launcher right here, click on download, and then from here you're going to go to this page where you're going to install it on Windows right here. Once you click on install Windows, you're going to get this installer, and then you're going to have it downloaded. And then from here, you're going to go to the Epic Games Launcher, which will open in this page. We're going to log in with any other way that you would like. So for example, even Google. And then from here, you're going to select with whichever method. And then once you click continue, it will tell you that it is done. So simply click on continue. And then from here, go to the Epic Games Launcher. And then it will tell you that the sign in is done. You can choose whatever method you would like. And then from here, you're going to open it, and it's right there in front of the Genshin Impact. You can simply click on play for free. And as you can see, simply click on get, and that will show you this page where you're going to load your order. But since it's free, then you're going to click here, place the order, and now it's going to start downloading on your computer. That simple. Once it finishes, it will automatically open, and then you will be able to enjoy your game. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.